Discover 11 crazy useful car gadgets you'll never believe. From must-haves to cool innovations, these Amazon car accessories will elevate your driving experience. Buckle up for mind-blowing innovations. Number 11. Auto Equalizer. Get ready to upgrade your car audio experience with the Auto Equalizer. This cool car gadget is a must-have for every music lover. With easy installation and adjustable settings, it enhances bass and delivers clear sound. Not only for cars, but you can also use it in your garage or any other space. Auto equalizers come in various sizes, making them versatile and suitable for any car. Don't miss out on this amazing car accessory. Upgrade your audio game now with the Auto Equalizer, your perfect companion on the road. Number 10. Car windshield cover. Say goodbye to the hassle of scraping ice and snow off your car windshield with the Eco Noir car windshield cover. This must-have car accessory ensures that snow stays on the cover, keeping your windshield free from ice. Simply install it at night, and it fits securely without slipping or blowing off. Made from high-quality 600D heavy-duty Oxford material, it provides excellent snow, frost, and ice protection. The cover also features dual mount straps, a PVC insulated bottom layer, and strong dual side flaps for added durability. Plus, it's water resistant and easy to fold and store. Upgrade your winter mornings with the Eco Noir car windshield cover for a stress-free start. Number 9. New Weetla wireless car charger. Stay connected on the go with a new Weetla wireless car charger. In today's fast-paced world, our smartphones are essential, but constant charging can be a hassle. This 2023 car gadget is here to make life easier. With a 360-degree rotatable air vent clip, it fits any air vent and provides stability in various driving scenarios. Just connect the data cable, and the charger bracket automatically clamps your phone securely. The built-in 1.5F capacitor ensures 10 times of on and off switching after the car is turned off. The metal clamp arm and smooth mirror surface protect your phone while keeping it firmly in place. Embrace convenience and power up your device effortlessly with a new Weetla wireless car charger, the perfect car accessory. Number 8. Car Visor Vanity Mirror. Upgrade your car with the Car Visor Vanity Mirror, a must-have car accessory for those on the go. Easily attachable to your car's visor, this mirror offers the perfect lighting for makeup application, grooming, and personal care. The rechargeable battery ensures you never have to worry about replacing batteries or finding an outlet. With 3 light modes, cool white, warm white, and natural daylight, you can customize the lighting to suit your needs. Say goodbye to poorly lit car mirrors and embrace the convenience and versatility of the Car Visor Vanity Mirror, the ultimate car gadget for 2023. Look your best on every journey. Number 7. Umbrauto Truck Bed Tent. Discover the ultimate camping experience with the Umbrauto Truck Bed Tent, the perfect car accessory for nature enthusiasts. Upgrade your adventures with enhanced waterproof performance using our upgraded polyester Oxford tent, featuring a PU3000 waterproof coating for a clean and dry experience in any weather. Its ripstop grade material ensures durability, providing reliable and long-lasting shelter. Enjoy double protection with the additional tent cover and removable awning, defending against UV radiation and heavy rain. Immerse yourself in nature while maintaining privacy with sky viewing windows and mesh windows. For excellent ventilation, there's one large entrance door and side vents. Setting up and folding it into a compact handbag is a breeze, saving storage space and keeping your car clutter-free. Embrace the great outdoors with the Umbrauto Truck Bed Tent. Number 6. Windshield Repair Kit. Say goodbye to chipped windshields with the Ultimate Windshield Repair Kit, a must-have car accessory for every driver. When a rock hits your glass, don't panic. This repair kit from AliExpress is here to save the day. Easily fix the chip with the included suction cup, syringe, and polymer. In just 30 minutes, your windshield will look good as new. No more driving with a damaged glass or worrying about the chip getting worse. With this repair kit, you'll have a flat, smooth surface that blends seamlessly with the rest of the glass. Keep your windshield crystal clear and your car looking great with the Windshield Repair Kit. Available on AliExpress and the best solution for those unexpected road mishaps. Number 5. Garage Wall Protector. Ensure your garage walls stay in top-notch condition with the Garage Wall Protector, a must-have car accessory. Made with high-density and odorless materials, these protectors are designed to prevent scratches and damage. The waterproof surface features a scratch prevention diamond texture, providing excellent protection. With its flexibility and softness, you can easily apply it to 90-degree walls, curved surfaces, or cylinder columns. Each strip can be cut into different shapes, giving you the perfect fit for your garage. Don't let your car door accidentally damage your walls. Get the Garage Wall Protector today and keep your garage looking pristine. Number 4. Flexible Cluster. Check out these amazing flexible cluster daytime running lights with a running turn signal. With 192 leads in total, each light is made up of 16 clusters, giving you the flexibility to adjust the shade and running mode. When the turn signal is on, the yellow light spreads in a wave along the entire length. While installation may seem daunting, fear not. With a little effort and handy hands, you can easily set it up. Upgrade your car with these versatile and eye-catching lights and turn heads wherever you go. Don't miss out on these cool car gadgets and accessories. Get your flexible cluster lights today. Number 3. Garmin DriveSmart 65 and Traffic. Experience the ultimate in car gadgets with the Garmin DriveSmart 65 and Traffic. This high-end GPS navigation system boasts a large 6.95-inch touchscreen display, providing clear and detailed maps and directions. The real-time traffic updates ensure you can avoid traffic jams and reach your destination faster. Pair it with your smartphone for hands-free calls, music, and notifications. Plus, with voice-activated navigation, you can keep your focus on the road. Travel confidently and safely with this incredible car accessory. Say goodbye to getting lost and hello to stress-free driving. Upgrade your car with the Garmin DriveSmart 65 and Traffic. Take control of your journeys like never before. Don't miss out on this essential car accessory. Number 2. ABISIKER LED Door Sill Pro. Upgrade your car with the ABISIKER LED Door Sill Pro, the ultimate car accessory that combines style and functionality. These innovative LED door sill plates light up when you open the doors, adding a futuristic and stylish touch to your car's interior. With multiple color options, you can customize the look to suit your taste. But it's not just about looks. These high-quality stainless steel plates also protect your door sills from scratches and scuffs, preserving your car's condition and resale value. Don't miss out on this practical and eye-catching car gadget. Elevate your car's interior with the ABISIKER LED Door Sill Pro and make a bold statement every time you step into your vehicle. Number 1. Starry Sky. Transform your car into a breathtaking masterpiece with the Starry Sky car accessory. While getting a professional service can be expensive, you can create your own stunning ceiling with the DIY fiber optic filament kit. Simply remove the ceiling trim and install each thread separately. Let your imagination run wild as you choose from various colors and adjust the brightness with a remote control or smartphone app. The ready-made set includes the beam, fiber optic filaments, and a light-emitting unit. On the product page, you'll find sets with 200 to 500 strands, and there are plenty of reviews with inspiring installation examples. Don't miss the chance to add a touch of magic to your car with the Starry Sky car gadget. Elevate your driving experience with this captivating accessory. Thanks for watching our video on the 11 crazy useful car gadgets you'll never believe. Which gadget surprised you the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.